Dear friends, welcome to Worldwide Vehicles. You are watching B1B Lancer. Its price is $283 million. It is outfitted with 4 General Electric turbofan engines. It uses 30,780 pound force of power to fly. This jet can fly with the maximum speed of 1528 km per hour. Travel range of this jet is 12,010 km. It covers 0.078 km distance in just 1 liter fuel. It can go up to 60,000 feet in the sky. In just 1 minute, it covers 6,000 feet distance. It requires 600 meter distance to take off. Maximum payload on this jet is 34,019 kilograms. Its fuel tank capacity is 1,49,875 liter. It is outfitted with 4 general seats. Its exterior length is 146.98 feet. Okay friends, we will meet soon in our next video.